there, learners. Welcome back to Online Phonics Learning. Today, we are going to be sorting some picture cards. We already know that words are made up of sounds, and the sounds that we hear in words actually match the sounds that letters make. Today, we are going to be listening to the beginning sound of words. That means the first sound you hear in the word, and sorting them by first sound. Before we get started, I want to show you a special trick for listening to sounds in words. Hold out your arm like this. All right, now let's say we're saying the word cat. Ready? Say it with me. Cat. Cat. Do this. Cat. Start at your shoulder and work your hand down. Cat. See how I use my arm to help me place the sounds? You can do that too as we're working today. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this first picture I have. This is a ladybug. Can you say ladybug? What is the first sound you hear in the word ladybug? Yeah, I hear a ooh, ladybug. I'll put it over here. Now look at this. This is a zipper. Can you say the word zipper? Zipper. What is the first sound you hear in the word zipper? Yeah, I hear the sound z. Does zipper have the same first sound as ladybug? What do you think? No, ladybug starts with the L sound. Zipper starts with the Z sound. They are not the same. I'll put zipper over here. This is a newspaper. Can you say the word newspaper? Does newspaper have the same first sound? What is the first sound you hear in newspaper? Newspaper. I hear a N sound. Does newspaper have the same first sound as ladybug? What do you think? No. Newspaper starts with the N sound. Ladybug starts with the L sound. What about zipper? Zipper, newspaper. Do they have the same first sound? No. I'll put newspaper over here in its own section. All right. This is lightning. Can you say the word lightning? Lightning. What is the first sound you hear in lightning? Ooh. Does lightning have the same first sound as ladybug? Yes, ladybug, lightning. I'll put lightning over here with ladybug. This is a nail. Can you say the word nail? What is the first sound you hear in the word nail? Does nail have the same first sound as ladybug? Ladybug, nail. No. What about zipper? Zipper, nail. No. What about newspaper? Newspaper, nail. Yes. Newspaper, nail. They both start with the N sound. All right. This is a ladder. Say that word out loud. Ladder. What is the first sound you hear in the word ladder? Yeah, I hear a L sound at the beginning of ladder. Does ladder have the same first sound as ladybug? Ladybug, ladder. Yes, ladybug, ladder. They both start with the sound. All right. This is a necklace. Can you say the word necklace? What is the first sound you hear in the word necklace? I hear a N sound, necklace. Does necklace have the same first sound as ladybug? No. Ladybug, necklace. They have different sounds at the beginning. What about zipper? Zipper, necklace. What do you think? What about newspaper? Newspaper, necklace. Do they have the same sound at the beginning? What do you think? Yes, they both start with the N sound. All right, this is a zebra. Say the word zebra. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word zebra? I hear a Z sound. Does zebra have the same first sound as ladybug? Ladybug, zebra. No. Does zebra have the same first sound as zipper? Zipper, zebra. What do you think? Where does zebra go? Right here. Zipper, zebra. They have the same sound at the beginning. All right, this is a net. Where does net go? Listen to the sound at the beginning of the word net. Ladybug, net. Do they have the same first sound? No. What about zebra, zipper, net? Does net have the same first sound as zipper? What do you think? No. What about newspaper? Newspaper, net. Do they have the same sound at the beginning? Yes, they do. Newspaper, net. It goes here. Good work. We have 3 more. This is a letter. Say the word letter. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word leather? Yes, I hear a L sound at the beginning of the word ladder. Ladybug, leather. Do they have the same sound at the beginning of the word? What do you think? Yes, they both start with a L sound. Ladybug, leather. This is the number 0. Say the word 0. 0. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word 0? I hear a Z sound. Does 0 have the same first sound as ladybug? Ladybug, 0. What do you think? No. What about zipper? Zipper, 0. Do they have the same first sound? Yes, they both start with a Z sound, a Z sound. Last one, this is a lemon. Where should I put lemon? What is the first sound you hear in the word lemon? Lemon. I hear a L sound. Does lemon have the same first sound as ladybug? Ladybug, lemon. What do you think? Yes, they both start with the L sound. Now let's check our groups. We want to make sure every word starts with the same sound. Ready? You can do it with me. Say the words. Ladybug, lightning, ladder, leather, lemon. Those are good. They all start with the L sound. Like L, leaf, L. Let's check this column. Zipper, zebra, zero. What do you think? Are those good? Do they all start with the same sound? They do. They all start with the Z, zebra, Z sound. Now let's check the last group. Ready? Newspaper, nail, necklace, net. Do those all start with the same sound? Yes, they all start with the N sound, like N, nest, N. Awesome work. Awesome job sorting. I'm so proud of the way that you listened to the beginning sounds in each word. If you have a copy of this sort, if you have a set of these cards, you can now practice it on your own. Listen closely and use your arm to help you listen to the sounds. Thanks so much for learning with me today. I'll see you next time.